Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to align text in a PDF file using PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF XChange Editor. Now click on this home option and select here edit download and select text. Now click on this text box and text box now selected and click here this format option. And here you will find this align option. It's automatically align this left side. You can apply right align. See this. Also you can apply center align. And this is justify align and make it right align and click here. Here I will apply justify align and see this. In this way you can change the text alignment and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.